that before he passed, rather unceremoniously and so tragically, he had begun to lay down the blockworks for resounding victory in Akwatia. So in his memory, we will carry out the plans as he laid out and we'll build upon it. We'll add more impetus to it and ensure that we fine-tune it to deliver victory for us in Akwatia so that the same benefits that all constituencies that are being properly represented in parliament are deriving will be derived by the people of Akwatia. So we are confident of victory.
Mami Mao Akwaba and Faumbra Ghana and Sem TV GH so wafreme Adjoa searching.
No so ebe moi. Not just say, or also blame. So ahead of this by-election, what should be the way forward? Because this is just one constituency.
So me da say na me de nchia kese ema NPP for 18 nyina sanse ade kese bi ba bisi Thursday 28th of August me fa ofidie so enka say His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Boamah ekwako filing in nominations e party headquarters.
Okay.
And up 8 a.m. Nti ye ni abre pa ye nyina.
I think I just saw the flyer this morning on one of our platforms.
Me matro bibi say he's got the zeal to lead. Omo mbekwa shia ni nyina kwako jene kwan no nyame nhira wo mo.
All right.
The tosu biem Akwatia sema wo de aba Akwatiafuo nchia kese koma mo. When you say by 2nd September around 11 p.m. now your projections in say the member of parliament elect Honorable Solomon Asumedu. Edikan, there has been a comment be a
comment ben.
Yen yankasa Felix Kwakye ekomekie. Say
ombeje Akwatiafuo seat to honor the late
Omane Boamah.
Yes.
Me who say ntwa.
Oh, are they?
Akwanshia Honorable Dr. Omane Boamah ne Mutala ne omo maka ho nyina akohia no. Still Ghana for ye di ho yaw. But sebi mojabi nsin mojabi o. Mojabi ensin mojabi. Honorable Ernest Kumi. Ono so abrantia ne ho sisi ne ho so. Wakota krade akwakoye adwuma. Wapa pedru enkran Monday. Na yare tisi ni so. Yede ne call hospital awa mabiem. This is also a tragic life. Well Lucy. Into ono no de ede na yeso yanyema no. EBC Watermale Central no. A progressive party. Ye do ye man. Ye do Ghana. Ya concede and I say ye cede that seat to you. Se mo amon fa mon crofo no mon ko Tamale Central so. Enti se wa nya bibi ama wase a. Yes abone krono. Who so ni ebe contest? Yes no problem. Na wo se ba be kasa tia yenti se de Honorable Ernest Kumi no sebi wa mo bra bi anaso ono na wawu afri wiase no ono de osefata se owu.
No but Richard I believe say NPP ekudin kunim ewa Akwatia it is going to be in honor of Ernest Kumi Anambwa.
No correct.
And he said NDC also decided they are also reclaiming they are going to claim that seat in honor of Omane Boamah.
Sebi Omane Boamah oto about Akwatia. On to about Akwatia.
But he's a stalwart of
kasa no kasa no entwa yi enti mesre pa because amount for di hu ya pa o member of parliament abrantie so no hwe papa young guy o kasa utim se wa bin yi na adwen kokan onyare onya hwe wakọ adwuma takrade waba e na wato ananamu osiedo na se ni manfo esu akwakọ yi obi ekoto aba che ne monyo na ensema okiken entwa yi. Number 2, media in my own personal view na I thought say police a friend na ekwan police for the NPP for any Ghana for mabunu afa so besi sabra ye kase obi ntimi kan James say police is my friend ena asema wo kan ya Ghana for nyina esu hu yenya insunsanso bebre every NDC be ruling government of Ghana 19 polling stations in po hwe enioma esisi ho just 19 polling stations Yabu Obabesia, former minister of this country, former member of parliament, Etietianoso, the New Patriotic Party deputy organizer, Yabuno video daman foso. These are the tags omukobo sankrofui. Eteki ye na ahen. Eteki mu radio for amokano kre. Mu tiatia mu kasaye. Ansana last minute ya omu behu se yebe kwa Akotie yi. Mo ba be kan se ya chi nipa nwotwe. Enti police no yera IGP any political party se shia ama omo assurance say Akwatia de bibia ensi but obi a wo waka no sebi osuro sonso no enti me no me NPP ni no me nheda mfa me re nyina nkɔhye de police for na kanim yeso ye beboaboa ye ho sanse yen na ye pass emra se yen twa vigilante mu yen nyina ye nim se NPP for ne ye wo invisible forces ye wo ye delta forces ye dimra so nti ye twa mu sana ye twa mu no na NDC for no e hyehye omode monhwe kwan a omode fa so in 2024 elections enti se 19 ye kase kitwe kra wantimi andi hu no kre na kese ye de be ma na be de 19 polling stations. Look at what happened. The worst decision ever. Say wasa so police for mako 5,000 kogu kruba kum say ye kwa akoto abenti. Because you are telling the citizenry say bibi boni bibesi. Because it tells me say every corner you pass you will see an armed policeman there. Enti sebi seni pa na be kwa akoto aba no wan hwe obefa so akona afu mu a won kokra because osuro say bibesi adenti na 5,000 per constituency. Why? I think it's too much. And I'm saying this from a security point of view. So yes, Anna, almost throw say bibi baby sintina modern crofo brewe ababegua. Enti media police no almost a friend adrimpa banemum MPP for so yamboa ye ho said de be ya Danny Drew ha yanka se mehu yanka na kechi.
All right, but I say Richard Jemfi is a member of the NPP National Communications team and yete in Kano Adom 106.3 FM. Honorable Fuseni Donko adjoining or your Deputy Director General National Service Authority. Honorable Martin.
Yes,
how are you?
Oh, yes, Adam.
Minfono Muguso. Shada by inspection.
Oh, they say the Nyamiadum. Papa,
the beer about the progress of work.
Oh, yeah, so far 1,500 acres of maize at about 10 years started harvesting. And we have 70,000 beds at Papa.
Wow.
Now the broilers first batch of 10,000 I am ready. I ever started Friday promotional sales. No, Friday we are ever chassis. But they are quite farms where you can get from 2.6, 2.8, even up to 3 kilos as of today.
It's so impressive.
They did nothing there, bro. Don't go there. Don't go there. Don't go there. And
National Service Authority.
Bro, don't go there. Don't go there. Bro, why?
Oh, yes.
The Bubenya problem. What am I from time no why? Now CJ, out of 20,000 acres of land are now they started 400 acres.
Out of 20,000 acres, no?
OCSB did 400 acres. You buy it, and assassin could develop yet me 1,500. It's man started corona hotro. Papa Wamika Hansam, you had 300,000 beds a brayer from MasterCard Foundation. OCSB Kachom said there was no Kukubu and Kukonibugum. Until the Koma Agro Farms, Nedako Farms. You buy Yana from February and you started the construction of that 100,000 capacity poultry house. Into a horror, Mr. Kajan Mananko. Into
a Bramo harvesting
this year, yeah.
Jose.
Yeah, why
No, bro, how many months?
Me,
Bro, how many months?
No credit.
Now when your appointment.
I was appointed in March.
Into March now could you, bro?
No, bro, you get it.
August, where trouble.
Yes, that's it, bro. April.
Come on.
You do, bro, April.
Come on.
Oh, you know, Pastor, British Army Assembly no Army Assembly. And yes, all the bullets say Manu fire. I was a DC for Central Front place. It's about 4 years. And man, Mr. Well, I bet you the Ania can't you once.
But come on also. The worrying situation in Savannah region.
Yes.
Yeah, leading to the loss of about 10 people.
And I'm happy he brought my tribe in because I'm a Kokumba.
Okay.
So the Kokumba Nanumba war na C 96. I was right there. And I'm happy say honey the okanokre say asem si osirim na ye say asem na esi hu ntokwa na ye ko be very careful. You miss it. Because yes, even in school back then I remember saying papa yimi free what me ba school or 66 artillery regiment 7 garrison. School nyina na ye de sere me ufa ha chakwan na ye de sere me adan microphone confirm. But they didn't understand the etymology of the real situation there.
Yeah.
I wouldn't want to go into history because it's one of the darkest days in the lives of Yenkunkumbafo. So I didn't see how assassin do one plot share one catch it. It's not about assassinating in any way.
Because
it has nothing to do. Assassin is just
really, it doesn't make sense.
My memo another story be on Motari Sre. I say Sebi se ukun wonkomani bema ukuna bompire so on wu babema. Because all babema the way wunu ye de mpabo atoho. Ema ne bano. Otwea so nyini na ne nan ya ye mpabo anu mu fit pe. Mpabo ne nya fit ne pe se ohun fie we. Nkrofo we ne kumu papa. O papa mpabo anu. So onan ya fit mpabo ne dia ene braso se o papa vengeance na baso. Inti waboa no hote ho.
Wow.
Inti de bia onama CJ ene kum me papa. CJ ene kum me
but
or train the right moment. The moment something triggers oboa. First thing okwakoye so okwako take revenge. So and tise ha wa famasa say makọ report to mananam debi. It's not like that. There's something beyond that. So you could see the MP was visibly shaking and worried because there is more to the story than meets.
You know, he was talking about Bill for Gonja for, you know, he is, or no, I'm sorry, or Bill